Since you already have your stocking cap and your gloves on because you just winterized your sprayer, in this video we're going to go over calibrating your CFR values. The CFR calibration requires the operator to catch a decent amount of product and the ability to weigh that product. Proper planning and preparation need to be done before the calibration. For example, showing up to the machine and having a density cup, a digital scale, 2 tubs, one for each conveyor belt, a loader to position those tubs under the catch ramps to avoid spills, and a conveyor to return the caught product back into the bin. A thoughtfully planned calibration setup with these items is the most efficient. To access the CFR calibration, hit the bin status, and in the application system, choose the applied section, and in the details for CFR value, we have our calibration button. We select what bin we want to calibrate, begin the calibration, and then we need to increase engine speed to meet the requirements. Once the requirements are met, we can hit the next button. Here we can put our desired weight of what we want to catch, the expected CFR density from the cup, and our feed gate opening. Hit the next. Warning saying that product will come out of the bin. Next, it's asking to activate the hydraulics. Once activated, hit the next button. Here is where we can prime our belt. We need product at the end of the belt for an accurate CFR calibration. Ours are primed. We hit the next button. Now we can activate the master switch to do the actual catch test. Once the master switch is activated, product will dispense into our tubs. Once the estimated weight is dispensed, we need to weigh our product minus the weight of the tubs. After weighing the product, type in the actual pounds. Click OK. New CFR, and hit save. In this video, we discussed the planning and preparation needed for an efficient CFR calibration and utilizing items such as catch tubs, a digital scale, a density cup, and loader buckets. Before or during the calibration process, make sure the conveyor belts are primed with product. And once the estimated amount of product is dispensed, accurately weigh the product to generate a new CFR value and then saving that CFR value. Encourage operators to perform a CFR calibration for ultimate optimization.